Have you ever wondered why we ride horses but not zebras? The answer lies in the fascinating process of domestication. For thousands of years, humans have selectively bred certain animals, shaping them to suit our needs. But only a handful of species possess the unique set of characteristics required for successful domestication. These animals, our companions and helpers, are the result of a long and complex relationship with humankind. Domestication has played a pivotal role in human history, providing us with food, labor, and companionship. Understanding why some animals are domesticated while others remain wild requires a closer look at the specific traits that make an animal suitable for life alongside humans. These traits encompass an animal's diet, temperament, breeding habits, growth rate, and social structure. Only a select few have made the transition from the wild to our homes and farms. This essay will delve into the intriguing world of domesticated animals, exploring the reasons behind their success and the challenges faced by those that resisted our taming touch. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of domestication, from the docile sheep to the untamable zebra. One of the most crucial factors in determining an animal's suitability for domestication is its diet. Herbivores, animals that primarily consume plants, have a distinct advantage over their carnivorous counterparts. This is largely due to their efficiency in converting plant matter into usable energy. Plants are abundant and readily available, making it easier and more cost-effective to raise herbivores. Carnivores, on the other hand, require a steady supply of meat, which can be challenging and expensive to provide. Imagine having to hunt and kill prey to feed a pride of domesticated lions. Omnivores, animals that consume both plants and meat, fall somewhere in between. While their adaptability is a plus, they are not as efficient as herbivores in converting plant matter into energy. This makes herbivores like cows, sheep, and goats ideal candidates for domestication, providing a sustainable and readily available source of food and other resources. An animal's temperament plays a crucial role in its ability to be domesticated. Can you imagine trying to herd a group of tigers or train a hippopotamus to plow a field? Clearly, a manageable temperament is essential for an animal to thrive in a domesticated setting. Animals with naturally aggressive or skittish dispositions are simply not cut out for a life alongside humans. Their unpredictable nature makes them difficult, if not impossible, to handle and potentially dangerous to be around. Imagine a world where every trip to the chicken coop involved dodging the attacks of territorial roosters. Dogs, domesticated from wolves, are a notable exception. Their pack mentality and inherent loyalty made them suitable candidates for companionship and protection. Over millennia, selective breeding has further refined their temperament, resulting in the wide variety of dog breeds we know and love today. For an animal to become a true asset to human society, it needs to reproduce quickly and efficiently. This is where breeding habits and growth rate come into play. Animals with short gestation periods and frequent offspring allow for rapid population growth and, crucially, selective breeding. Fast-growing animals are also highly desirable, as they can be utilized for work or food sooner. Think of the difference between waiting years for a horse to reach maturity versus a matter of months for a chicken to be ready for the table. Pigs, with their large litters and relatively short gestation periods, are a prime example of successful breeding in domesticated animals. Conversely, elephants, with their long gestation periods and slow maturation rates, present a significant challenge for breeding and management. Section 5. Following the leader. Believe it or not, an animal's social structure can greatly influence its suitability for domestication. Animals with established social hierarchies are much easier to control in captivity. Humans can effectively insert themselves at the top of the pecking order, assuming a leadership role that the animals instinctively follow. Herd mentality is another desirable trait. Animals that naturally live in herds are accustomed to group living and are generally more manageable as a collective. Their instinct to follow the leader, whether a dominant individual or a human shepherd, makes herding and management considerably easier. Sheep, cows, and horses are all examples of animals with clear social hierarchies and herd instincts, making them well suited for domestication. Their natural inclination to follow a leader simplifies the process of herding, managing and utilizing these animals for various purposes. Section 6. The zebra conundrum. Zebras, despite their close resemblance to horses, present a compelling example of an animal that has resisted domestication. While their striped coats might seem appealing, their unpredictable temperament and lack of a rigid social hierarchy have made them unsuitable candidates for life on the farm. Unlike their docile cousins, zebras are notorious for their strong individualistic streak and tendency towards aggression. They are prone to biting and kicking, making them far more difficult and dangerous to handle than horses. Furthermore, zebras lack the clear social hierarchies observed in horses. This absence of a defined pecking order makes it challenging to establish dominance and control over a group. Imagine trying to train a zebra to pull a plow when it refuses to acknowledge you as the leader. Section 7. A two-way street. Domestication is not simply a one-sided arrangement where humans exert their will on animals. It's a complex relationship that has evolved over millennia, offering benefits to both parties. While humans have undoubtedly reaped the rewards of domestication, the animals themselves have also gained certain advantages. Domesticated animals are provided with protection from predators, a consistent food supply, and shelter from the elements. Selective breeding has also led to the development of traits that benefit the animals, such as increased disease resistance and improved reproductive success. The relationship between humans and domesticated animals is a testament to the power of mutualism, where both species have adapted and thrived through a shared existence. It's a fascinating example of how different species can co-evolve, shaping each other's destinies over generations. Section 8. The baker's dozen. Despite the vast diversity of animal life on Earth, only a surprisingly small number of species have been truly domesticated. This select group, often referred to as the baker's dozen of domestication, highlights the unique and specific combination of traits required for successful integration into human society. These animals, including dogs, cats, cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, horses, donkeys, chickens, ducks, geese, camels, and water buffalo, represent a testament to the selective forces of domestication and the enduring partnership between humans and animals. Their presence in our lives is a constant reminder of the long and intricate history we share with these remarkable creatures. From the loyal dog by our side to the humble chicken providing our breakfast, domesticated animals have become integral to the fabric of human civilization. Section 9. A lasting legacy. The domestication of animals stands as a pivotal milestone in human history. It has shaped our societies, our diets, and even our very identities. From the vast herds of cattle grazing on the plains to the faithful canine companions curled up at our feet, domesticated animals have become inseparable from the human experience. As we continue to navigate the complexities of our relationship with the natural world, understanding the principles of domestication offers valuable insights into the delicate balance between human needs and animal welfare. It reminds us of the responsibility we bear for the well-being of these creatures that have become so intertwined with our own. The story of domestication is an ongoing saga, a testament to the adaptability of both humans and animals. It is a story written in the shared history of two species, forever linked by the bonds of domestication.